Welcome to Marantz Rantz, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance, get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You're pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Henny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC and Superposition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz.
Hi guys, welcome back. Let me know if the audio is good right now. I was having issues with the audio earlier when I was making a video, so I apologize. But I'm live now, guys. To the guys out here who tell me I didn't do enough homework on the lawsuit. No, you don't understand. When I read the lawsuit, okay, and first, welcome back. Welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. I understand that they're trying to sue because they feel like AMC circumvent the system as far as to issue more shares. You guys don't understand the bylaws that are already in place. And I'm not saying you, I'm talking about the people filing the law, the actual, the docket itself. It does not matter. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter because you legally have no legs to stand on. I know it looks like it's illegal, but it's not. He followed all the rules. He told you it's your option if you wanted to stay in it. If you guys want to listen to people like, you know, Markets with May or anyone else out there giving you misinformation, that's all on you guys. But you can't put it on me to tell me I need to elaborate on something that's just pointless. I'll elaborate on history more than I will on that. And when that becomes history, then we'll talk about it. It's going to happen. Here's the thing I want to show you guys. Let's talk about history. You know, things hit my head, like things hit my brain, I should say. Not hit my head, I'm okay. But things hit my brain certain times of the night and the day, like I'm up all night and I don't sleep too much. And then I'm like, oh my God, why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I go look at that? Why didn't I go do the homework on that? And I'm going to give you the example. Okay, guys. AMC has been sued, and we're going to talk about this. AMC has been sued like 6 to 7 times since Adam Aron's been there. And these are by investors. And I was trying to figure out how they won the lawsuit. And the way they won the lawsuit was AMC paid too much for Carmike movie theaters. I was like, there's no way. Like it doesn't make sense to me. Like, why do the deal? Who's in Carmike movie theaters? Why did you take money from shareholders or on the debt side of it and pour it into Carmike movie theaters? What was the point? Explain it to me. And I said, wait a minute. I should really look into the deal itself. Maybe if I look into the deal, it will show me why it was such a failed deal and why it actually gutted this company. So I start digging. And when I start digging, guys, there's no getting me back. So that's why I'm late today. I mean, it's 10:42. You think I wanted to be late today? I don't want to be late. I'm going to pin this to the top of the chat. This is the Discord. Shout out to everybody in the Discord, guys. Over 600 something members of the Discord. You guys are there. You guys are posting stuff. And lawsuits in the stock market have been won and lost every day for 100 years. The problem is, Mean Street, not against AMC. You don't understand. They're not stupid. When they make their comments publicly or when they do things in written, they literally have lawyers read up and down that page so they can't get sued. Your lawsuit is a tantrum. Your lawsuit is smoke and mirrors. Your lawsuit is just for a click. It's just I would even say misdirection. Why is anyone invested in the first place? Why are we going to hold it through? Why are we trying to stay the execution of what is called the merger? Nothing. That reverse stock split's going to happen. Adam Aron's fine. He didn't do anything illegal. He didn't. He did something that's not advantageous to you, the stockholder, but he didn't do anything illegal. That's the problem. You can read it line for line, man. Using words like circumvent. Nope. He said, hey, we're going to go ahead and do this additional preferred equity unit because you guys fall in love with the term ape, or because somebody falls in love with the idea that shorts have to cover when it converts. That's on you. Now we're doing it the reverse way. Now we're going to reverse stock split. And guess what? Why would we ever? So there is nothing here. He talks about AMC more than GameStop. Trust me, bro. He loves AMC. J-Dub, I'm an AMC YouTuber. I'm probably the best one in the world. Go look at all the guys you watch. They're not live daily, and they don't give you the facts. They tell you that popcorn and credit cards are going to make you money. Let's go look at facts, though, about Carmike movie theaters. I'm just curious about the deal itself. You guys curious? You guys want a history lesson? Let's go see. Maybe you'll see where I'm coming down from. Oh, and don't worry. I've got a whole hour for Bed Bath & Beyond today. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond and this blinky guy talking about who's buying out Bed Bath & Beyond and who's helping them. Oh, I can't wait. I've been waiting for these guys. Guys, one thing we do here, before we ever say something, we do homework, okay? Best one in the world with 49 viewers. Ha, 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 ha. Live stream yesterday had, what, 1,500 viewers total? Yeah, I know. It's not a lot to you. That's a lot to me. One is a lot to me. I'd rather be talking to one viewer. 49, sure. 50, maybe. 53 now. You can laugh at me all you want. You can. But you don't know where I started, and you don't know where I'm going to finish. So while all those guys are out there circling the wagons, getting views, right? And getting clicks from bots, not real people, I'll still be here. And 10 years from now, I'll still be here. And you and I are going to have a different conversation because you're going to still be at work, grinding, hopefully. All right. All the time, these guys. Oh, look at all these guys. You know what? You can read my chat right now, right? You can read it just as well as you can read those guys with 500 people in their chat right now. I'm just telling you, and I don't watch other YouTubers. I'm too busy being here. I stopped watching them this week. I figured that they're all dead to me. I want to show you guys something. I'm going to go to a filing. A filing. There's a fire. Oh, there's a fire. Yeah. Let's go to, I'm looking right here. Here we go. All right, guys, History Lesson 101. Pay attention. This is AMC's prospectus for buying Carmike movie theaters. Okay? July 25th, 2016. Why does all this matter? Why does all this matters? Okay? You're going to see the connection right now. This is the shit that no one's doing. Guys, this is what I do all day. I go read the old stuff for a reason. So they agreed to buy Carmike movie theaters for $33 a share. What an amazing price to pay. $33 a share cash and or 1.08 AMC shares of Carmike movie theaters. AMC at the time was around $28, $30 in that time frame. It was close to the 33, but they actually priced out Carmike movie theaters more than AMC. That's crazy to me. Now, as I go down and I look at it, they give you all the reasons why they're going to do it, and nothing matters. $33 is if they do agree to it, and this really tells me something. This tells me that Carmike movie theaters, which is over here, the blue one, the 2954, and Oda movie theaters, 2236. Those two movie theaters, what they're buying, and they're paying $2 billion for them. Okay? Now, this is the plan to get everybody connected around the world with this movie theater. This right here tells me everything I need to know about business. If I'm looking at AMC and why they would buy these movie theaters, it makes zero sense to me. They're trying to tell you that they should buy these two movie theater companies right here, 92 movie theaters, or 65 and 92. That's how many millions of people go to their movie theaters a year. They have 242 and 276 movie theaters. I'll explain. Carmike movie theaters, okay, by itself does about, if they're going to have that many movie theaters and they do 65 million per movie theater, how many people is that? Anybody give me an idea? Because I can just tell you right now, that ratio makes zero sense to me. The ratio of 242 to 92 is a better ratio than the 276 to 65. I mean, why would you buy 275 movie theaters that only give you 65 million viewers? Why would you buy 242 for 92? That's a better ratio, yes. But look where they're currently at. They're monsters. They actually have 385 movie theaters and do 203 million people. They already have the better ratio before they ever bought this movie theater. Before they bought these two dead movie theater companies, which we knew it. So why in the world and you look at it, the screens don't match up, none of it. How about revenue? This is how much revenue they make versus this revenue. Revenue per screen, they already dwarf the number per screen. They're already at $591 per screen, and you're buying a company at $283, but you're paying $1.2 billion. Anybody want to tell me what the market cap of AMC movie theaters when they bought this for $1.2 billion? They had a market cap of $1.5 billion. Pretty much nothing. And you're going to tell me that you're willing to pay what your company's worth, and it outperforms, it doubles what that is. This is why they got sued. They were buying dead movie theaters on the spot, and they were trying to tell you that it was something that it's not. By the way, they don't make this kind of money anymore. As I go through this deal, and it makes no sense for them to buy them, okay? Absolutely none. They are the worst run company ever, Carmike Movie Theaters. I was like, well, who is Carmike Movie Theaters? I even asked that question. But in the fine print is something that I found right here. It tells you Carmike Movie Theaters, Carmike's Screen Vision investment is a minority stake in a private equity hold, about $7 million as of March 31st, 2016. AMC is currently a 18% owner of NCMI, a publicly traded competitor of Screen Vision. So you had Carmike Movie Theaters invested into Screen Vision, and you had AMC invested into NCMI. So what you really want to know is who's invested into NCMI and who's invested into Screen Vision. And why would you want NCMI to overtake Screen Vision? They're the competition. You want to get rid of them, go buy out the company that's invested in them. And then, of course, who's traded publicly on NCMI? I'm just curious. Anybody know? I mean, I know who it is. I have it somewhere around here. We'll go through this whole thing. Oh, here it is. Right here. NCMI. Yeah, go down the list here. NCMI is owned by, I believe it's just Citadel. I want to make sure where I was. It's Citadel for sure. But why am I reading it like this? Oh, because I had a different thing up on there. Right here. Moreover, Arrow Street Capital, Citadel Investment Group, and Two Sigma Advisors were also bullish on NCMI. Okay, allocating large percentage of the portfolios of this stock. Guys, they bought this damn company, NCMI. 2019 is when this was released, right? But look at what has happened since they acquired Carmike Movie Theaters. Look at this. 2016, guys. 2016 is when this movie theater deal went through for AMC and Carmike Movie Theaters. NCMI, you know who owns it now? Citadel. And what did they do to this stock? Down, pump, 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 down, pump, 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 dumped. This company has been dumped the whole time. AMC Movie Theaters, they did the merger with Carmike Movie Theaters. It's all connected. Citadel is part of NCMI. That's why they did it. I know Citadel's with everybody, guys. Trust me. I've already watched this whole thing go down. So then I went over and I said, well, what about Citadel and Carmike Movie Theaters? Well, there's this company called Dreas. I don't even know how to say this damn name, and I don't care. Small Cap Equity Fund. They're a spin, okay, out of Citadel. They're a small cap group, and I believe they're out of Chicago, if I'm not mistaken. Or this one was out of London. This thing was released out of London, but no, but they have a base in Chicago, if I'm not mistaken, from what I was reading. And they actually have connections through Citadel. And everything Citadel's invested in, they're invested in. And I started reading everything. And I'll come up with more. I'll go more in detail on this one. But as you go here, this group, these are the guys who own, they just went public in 2016, this company. And they go live, their first investment right here. Don't worry. Their first investment when they go live is 2 million shares in Carmike Movie Theaters, 10% basically of the company. And what company was it, guys? Carmike Cinemas. So Citadel asked them or told them, I don't know how you guys want to go about it, but I've literally read every single investment they've made, and most of their investments are here. You'll see them here. They made this investment into here, and I believe Citadel's part of this one too. I'm connecting the dots. Guys, oh, there it is. Surveyor Capital, a Citadel company, and then they both went ahead and did the initial on this one for $125 million. That's just recently. I have another one here. Oh, this is like part of the I guess they do a risk assessment conference. I was trying to read on it, and they're all in the same area. So all the shorts, right? And so you're like, well, what are the shorts? Little known Chicago fund wins big U.S. IPO bonanza. So I told you the little Chicago firm. That's them again. Okay. They're there. And I had connected them to Citadel in this article as well, because people had worked for Citadel and then ended up going there, or vice versa. They worked there and then ended up going to Citadel. As I go through, and it's right here, Chicago fund manager is far from being the only investment having success. IPO funds, including blah, blah, blah. You have that. But I have it. Oh, it's on my other screen. I apologize, guys. Let me do this. I have, oh my goodness, this is going to be too much. Okay. Lazard, that's who's buying into Bed Bath & Beyond, wants to do it. So just so you know, the correlation was, and I don't want to close this one because I need that for later. I'm digging in. And I'm going to dig on this one too as I go through here. Let me see what I have here. There it is. Gross, the guy who here was an information technology professor with Citadel Investment Group. All right. And that is who the main person is for this new group over here. So that's who they just hired. Somebody named Gross. I don't know. I'll read more into this too. I'll break that down for you. But that's Tanya Gross, who's the CFI, Executive Director, Board of Directors. So they're all part of this whole group. Next is distressed credit investing. This is a list of every single distressed credit investor in the country. You guys can go down this list and see if you see one of the companies you guys like. I saw Apollo. Okay. I saw Apollo. I saw Citadel, obviously. But as you go down this whole, I mean, guys, look at this. This is who you're fighting. Okay. I just want you guys to know this is who you're fighting. It's a long list. Where did I get this list from? I don't know. I'm in some rabbit holes that you guys are not in, but I'm going to leave that because I'm looking up all those companies. So as we go through, I started hearing that they bought out AMC, or they bought out Carmike movie theaters at $33 a share. Do you guys see what happened to the stock before it went up for offer? They bought into it. Okay. All these companies that were sent over by Citadel, they bought into it in 2016. Now, they gapped up to buy into it, guys. Who buys the gap? Like, tell me who's buying the gap. The individual that knows they're going to get the $33 a share, $34 a share. AMC at the time was worth what exactly? That very same time frame, AMC was worth less than Carmike movie theaters. Okay? The very same time frame is here, 2016. So this is the window. After the acquisition, they fell down to the ground. But this is the window that you were willing to pay more money for Carmike movie theaters, and they made 50% of what AMC's worth at the time. And you're telling me you're paying more than? You're going to pay more per share? Made no sense. That's why they got sued. And I would never buy this at this price. It's not even worth that. It was down to $18 just a couple of months prior. Yet you paid double, essentially double the price for the stock itself. Who gapped it up? What happened here? Why did it gap up? I'm telling you why, guys. I'm trying to help you. But maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe I'm just chasing ghosts too. I'm not. It's a bad investment. 6:15 today, guys, and people are going to tell you that this is the rock star stock that you have to have. And how's that going for you? I think he redrew his lines again. Did he redraw his lines, Mr. Etch-a-Sketch? I think he did. This is a terrible stock to own. It's not going anywhere. Earnings are going to be February 28th, my mother's birthday, so I will be live. Mom, sorry, bro. I'm going live with the crew. I have more to look at, guys. I have more to dig into. I'm still going through, but we'll go to it right here. Stop digging. It's gross. I'm so sorry, guys. Well, you guys want to see my Bed Bath & Beyond day? It's even more. My Bed Bath & Beyond is even more. Bed Bath & Beyond stated that they're partnered up with Lazard. Okay, now I don't know if you guys know this. Lazard's buying Bed Bath & Beyond, guys. Okay, Lazard hired Citadel's Marianne Betch, I don't even know her name, as their new CFO. And when was that, guys? Anybody know? That was July 28th. July 28th of this year. Here she goes. She gets hired. So she's the CFO of Lazard, and now they're buying out Bed Bath & Beyond. What do you think Lazard is? Anybody know who Lazard is? Don't worry. I've got, guys, I probably have 1,000 windows open on my other screen. So let's just go do it. Let's just go. And you know what? I'm going to do it with you guys because I haven't looked at any of this. I have not looked at any of this. What I do is I open up like a whole bunch of windows and then I go back to them and I go see what it is. So Citadel, yeah, versus Lazard. I'm looking at this for CEO rating, overall culture, whatever. They put them against each other because they're the same. I'm just going to let you guys know. And Lazard wins at Citadel. Working at Citadel versus working at Lazard, they're the same, whatever they want to do. They're just giving them whatever. I don't even care about that article. That one's weak. Give me the good stuff, please. I want to know what's the connection between Lazard and Citadel. Is there one? That's all I'm doing. I'm easy. Here's my next. Is it going to come up? How about we do that? Should I intern at Lazard and M&A or Citadel as a trader in global fixed income? What is it like to be fired from Citadel? You get a phone call from your boss, go to the 32nd floor. You know what that means when you get in. You walk to the elevator, you say goodbye, and the people you work with, you won't be allowed to come back up. In the room, you'll see your boss and some HR lady. Your boss will say, today's your last day, and he will walk out. They give you an exit package. These people are funny, man. Is it hard to find a job? I didn't work for Citadel. No, I don't care about that. He was a portfolio manager. So I'll read all this later. That's funny to me. I don't really care for any of that. Where did this come from? What is this? I gotta delete it. I don't want this here. Close group. Okay. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. That's cool. I'm gonna start doing that. Oh, that'll be fun. Let's see who this guy is. This guy, Pablo Hernandez, joined Lazard North American Energy Group in 2012 and currently works in the Houston office. Prior to joining Lazard as a full-time associate, he interned at Citadel Securities. Focus on investment banking. Does that sound like a plant to you? Why are we leaving Citadel to go to Lazard? Why is everybody, they intern here, they go over here, CFO, work for Citadel, now they're at Lazard? Hey, Bed Bath & Beyond, you sure you want to get saved? Are you sure? This makes me laugh. Oh, man. Who's this one? Let's see what this is. I'm looking at this right here with you guys. Research analyst at Lazard Capital Markets, Colleen Bowler Lang. What did she used to do? Senior associate at Citadel. Research analyst at Lazard. Merrill Lynch. Oh, yeah, you're just a plant. Thanks, babe. Appreciate you. Next. Gets better. I'm not going anywhere, guys. We're going to say, oh, we'll watch the stock while we do that. Let's watch the stock. Let's watch AMC for today. Is that what we want to watch? This, hey, man, I'm feeling real bullish. I'm bullish. I'm an AMC YouTuber, if you guys didn't know. GameStop, guys, take a back seat, guys. I've been here on AMC forever. Let's go. Andrew Pearson. Hey, Andrew Pearson, how you doing? You work for Lazard? Oh, that's cool. You work for Lazard. Oh, you're a bank associate. Cool. Distressed credit intern. Invesco credits. You're an associate at Citadel Securities. No way. You work there too. Hey, man, we got a lot in common. What the hell's going on? Oh, you know, just making my rounds in the investment worlds. That's all I'm doing. Who's next? Oh, this might be different. Let's go look at this. Lazard's key to hybrid work, 0.72, all in the cloud. Citadel. Well, what's going on? I don't understand what I'm reading right now. The Variety CEO thinks that he's found the key to success in hybrid work. So why are they all in one article? What the hell? Okay, maybe I'm reading it wrong. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's nothing. You got all three guys in one article. Oh, Rockefeller. I don't know. Is that Rockefeller too? I don't know what's going on. You know, people tell me the Rothschilds still run the world. The Rothschilds and you know, they're just playboys, but they still run the world. I don't know. I don't know. People tell me that there's gold being traded. I read a lot of things lately. See the next article that I want to read. No, I don't care about J-Lo or Jennifer Aniston. I don't care about her either. So this one had nothing for me. Hey, that might be the cutest girl in the world. Alexandra Daddario. She might be. How you doing, Alexandra? Weird ass face and smile. You're all right. Let's see who else I got. Who is this? Shaka? I thought I'd say Shakira. Shaka Rashid, Managing Director and Head of Alternative Investments Americas, Lazard. Okay, let's see. Let's see you, man. Let's see if you have the keyword. Citadel, you do. Prior to joining Lazard, Shaka was the Director of Global Distribution Group at Citadel. Boom. Immediately prior to joining Citadel. Shocker was a 16-year veteran of JP Morgan. Oh my God, this is going great. This guy's a damn criminal. Oh, I love it. Who's next? There's no way there's this many. There's no way there's this many. Cameron Brown, co-founder and managing partner. Okay, so what'd you do? Were you there too? You worked for investments. Oh, right here. Let me read that. After Exxon, he transitioned to the financial side of business, working in investment banking at Lazard, before shifting to principal investing at NCAP Investments, LP, and Citadel. Oh my God, are you serious? Having substantial capital allocated to me early in my career at Citadel was crucial. Yeah, it was, bro. At Citadel, Brian Kuzma, who the hell is this? Strong mentors. And whoever helped develop my fundamental views on the oil and gas industry. Wow. Chuck Griffith Jr., is that my uncle? What the hell? His uncle? Is Chuck Griffith related to no, that's Griffith, not okay. I'm over here thinking about King Griffith, bro. I'm about to start calling him King Griffith. Hey, if you guys are in the chat right now, you guys are wondering what the hell I'm doing, I apologize, guys. I'm in a rabbit hole right now. But if you guys are there, I appreciate you. Let's go. I'm going to keep going. Don't worry. Can't chill today. Now, let's go next. Let's go to the next one. What is this? Citadel Advisors ownership in Laz. Oh, in Lazard? They own it? Oh, they do. They own 15,000 shares. That's not that much. $500,000? Nah. It's not that bad, man. Current value, what they buy in. They bought in lately. Oh, they just bought in. What the hell are we talking about? They just bought in while they're buying Bed Bath & Beyond? That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. All right, so Citadel owns them. That's cool. That's cool, man. There's nothing to see here. There's no smoke screen here. What are we talking about, guys? I'm still going on Lazard because I know I saw a video. Somebody said it's very bullish that Lazard is buying into to Bed Bath & Beyond. That's what they're trying to tell me. So, oh man, that one closed. That one wasn't cool. I didn't mean to close that. Shoot. That's probably was the one. Morning coffee. Technologists flock to firm with 600K. Oh, Credit Suisse and Pill. Yeah. Here we go. People seem to have decided upon the latter. Josh Woods has, whatever. Technology at Citadel Securities says applicants to technology jobs at Citadel Securities are up 50%. So everybody wants to work for Citadel. Many of securities, yep, we're good. We're good. Securities, okay, but what about Lazard? What does it have to do with Lazard? Because that's what I typed in. How about Lazard? It's all this whole thing's about Citadel, bro. Lazard, right there. Has returned from Lazard to global head communities based in New York. Oh, okay, cool. Well, what the hell do you do? I got to read this whole story? I don't know. I just saw a lot of Citadel. That's all I saw. All right, no biggie. I don't care about that article. I want the good stuff. Get me the good stuff. Our Viking team. Who the hell is this? Who's invested into the Viking? Oh, somebody said they work for Citadel here. Oh, man. Can you imagine? Chief Investment Officer. I just clicked on one. Who knows? Huntsman Group. Nah, it wasn't him. Sorry, bro. You look ugly. Nope, wasn't him. I don't go for the CEO all the time, bro. I don't. I try to read, Lehman Brothers. Oh, God. You know, all the people at Lehman Brothers lost their jobs because they, went under. But they all had to get a job somewhere. Advisory director. Yeah, you look like you're advising me of some stuff. Nope. Private equity. Merrill Lynch. Acquisitions Group, Merrill Lynch. No, not there. So there's nobody here that I'm worried about. Then I'm good. Because this guy, I never really think it's a CEO. Because see, he was Morgan Stanley. Oh, he worked at the Tiger Management Corporation. Oh, was he a little tiger cub? I don't know. I don't trust these guys. Portfolio managers. Who are these jokers? Let me see if I even like one. Nah, they're nobodies. These are guys who get a picture on the website and then they go tell their parents, Mom, check me out. Dad, check me out. Chief Compliance Officer. Where'd he work? nowhere. I don't know why this one came up, guys. There you go, striker. Yeah, I don't know where the hell the Viking came up. I'm back to this guy again. Shikaka Reed, whatever his name is. Shikaka Reed. I'm going to get rid of him. Rashid. I'm good on that. Who's this? Krish Raman. Can you read more? Krish was an associate at Citadel. Did he work somewhere else too? Oh, man. He's worked. Okay. Citadel. Lazard. Oh, man. It's all making sense right now. I don't know why there's so many people tied to each other. Colleen Bauer. Did we already check her out before? We did, huh? Citadel, Lazard, Merrill Lynch. Yeah, we already checked her out on a different one. Pretty sure. I'm not a stalker, Colleen, I promise. Oh, this is going to be good. Lazard appoints BlackRock veteran as head of North American distribution. Cool. So they're partnered up with BlackRock. No problem. I mean, that's typical, right? I mean, that's expected. What would I expect? I wouldn't expect nothing less. All right. Hey, Lazard, you really buying Bed Bath & Beyond? Hey, Bed Bath & Beyond, you really want these guys to buy you, huh? Here we go. Who's next? No, I don't know these guys. Somebody talking about summer intern jobs. Indeed. No, I'm not applying for no jobs. Thanks, guys. Asset Management Awards. There's awards here? Management Marketing Awards. I have not seen this before. Is this the Grammys? Best in Show or Best of Show? Bro, can you imagine who's here? It's got to be the Clark Capital, Investment BNP, Vanguard. Citadel has to be here, right? Oh, there's Lazard. Marketing strategy, B to business. Business to business marketing strategy. That's pretty good, man. I don't care. You won an award. Probably that's like everybody gets a trophy. All right, Tower Ticker. Let's see what this says. Parent company is Citadel Broadcasting Citadel. I need to know that. It's in Chicago. Citadel Broadcasting Corp. Let me know. Somebody go look that up if it's actually Citadel. Because it looks like it might be. And Lazard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Chicago-based Kirkland & Ellis LLP is Citadel's General Bankruptcy Counsel, and Lazard, whatever, and company, I guess that's Lazard, right, are acting as the financial advisor for the deal. And what's this deal? I don't know. They're buying something. They're buying some broadcasting company in a bankruptcy. Citadel, which owns and operates 224. That can't be the real Citadel. This has to be a different Citadel, right? Does he ever really own and operate 224 radio stations? That has to be a different Citadel, guys. Its acquisition of Walt Disney co-owned ABC radio station in 2006. Yeah, it can't be this real Citadel. By Twitter, Cotto said he did not expect Citadel's action to have an impact on the situation. The bankruptcy news does not affect me. I got to go read more into this because I don't know. I got to go read more into that because I don't know. And I'm okay with saying I don't know to something. Cool. That went away too. I'll leave that one up for me later. That's an up for me later one. Oh my God, it's ripping. AMC is ripping. Yeah, ABC Radio with Citadel Broadcasting. I have to figure out who Citadel Broadcasting is. Citadel Communications. Somebody will tell me. Yeah, that's not the same. Okay, good. Then it's not the same. Woo! Man. Yeah, it's all Citadel Broadcasting. It's not the same Citadel. Ooh, thank God, man. I didn't want to paint that picture. All right, next one I have here is a guy named Chris Blum. Hey, Chris Blum. Pretty little. Tony De Niro, you might like this guy, okay? You might like this guy in black and white. Here we go. Chris came to Seven Bridges after being an analyst at several large and prominent hedge fund groups, which his focuses on TMT and was that in consumer sections. Prior to Seven Bridges, he was an investment analyst at Contour. He was also at software, blah, blah, blah. He was at Citadel. There you go. Yeah, it's Surveyor, right? I got to go check them out. Hold on. There we go. Because that one, I got to know what they're buying and what they're doing. Everybody knows that it's a spinoff of them. Chris began his career in investment banking at Lazard. What do you know? What do you know? Lazard and Citadel, the whole thing. Hey, Chris, you're doing a great job. Make your rounds, bro. Okay, I don't need to worry about that one anymore. I'm still listening to Distress Credit. I'm still going through that. And I don't need this one. Oh, yeah, the Metalman Brothers. I was reading up on these guys. They're part of the Carmike movie theater deal. Nonsense. I'm still digging. Citadel, I don't care about that one. Ken Griffin, the founder, president and CEO of Citadel Investment Groups, answers questions with Kinnick, whoever. Yeah, but what is that? Oh, baby. Oh, my God. Okay, here we go. You don't think they're buddies? You don't think they're buddies? Ken Griffin, the founder and president, whatever. He answers questions with Kenneth I think it's Moles, whatever, CEO of some company. Charlie Ward III, president of Lazard, chairman of Lazard Asset Management Group. Listen to the state of the state of Wall Street. Okay, state of Wall Street. That's what this is. I have to go listen to this. Man, you guys are putting me. Okay, what's his name? Charles. Oh, I gotta know the relationship. Charles Ward III. They're on the same stage. You don't think they're buddies? Look how young he looks too. Yo, I'm just a billionaire, guys. What do you guys want from me? Look at these guys. Ugh, gross. The three. Oh, they're here, dude. And Michael Jordan quotes and all that shit. That's what you're doing. This is what you're doing, bro. Oh man, I'm waiting for you. Oh, here we go. I want to know who they are. I'm gonna find out who they are, guys. All right, more holes to dig for me. Thank you. Leave that up on my screen. Leave that. All right. Sorry, guys. I get excited. Lazard appoints some guy, Ortiz, as director, financial advisory. Okay. He worked for Rabobank. Cool. Did he work for Citadel? I don't know. I need an update on, if anybody knows any, I need an update on Teddy, man. I want to know what's going on with Teddy. All right, we're good now. Now I'm back. All right, I'm out of the hole. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry, guys. I was in there. I'm still going, though. I have another page of stuff, another whole thing of links. I don't want to take you through it. I did enough already. The guy who says I don't do enough DD, I might just slap myself on that one. There's nothing to do. You're going to have these lawsuits come out that either they hold merit or they don't. Either they have a judicial path or they don't, and they don't. That one has no footing. And they can disguise it into being something it's not. But no, if you ask me if I watch Tony De Niro, no. I just flat out say I don't watch Tony De Niro. There's not an ounce of me that would want to ever watch him. And you guys put stuff in the Discord. I'll watch that from time to time, like clips of stuff, but not of him. I mean, come on, guys. You gotta do better than that. Who's texting me, bro? I'm live. Why are you guys texting me? Oh, somebody did text me for real. Let me see 3 texts. Okay. Nah, I'm good. What's this one? I keep getting charged $3. $2. I don't know what the hell that's all about. All right, I'm good. I'm not worried about any of this. Bullish on the lawsuit, no dates. Nah, I'm good. Southwest has another. It's built its reputation on the back of whoever. Nah, we're good. Nope, nobody. I don't have to read nothing else. We're good. All right, guys. I'm here. I'm with you. I'm going to read the chat and I'm going to get out of here. But, of course, I'll react to the chat. Whatever you guys want to talk about, we're going to be fine. Let me see what else I have here. I was going to go play League of Legends, guys. I'm big on League of Legends right now. I'm working on some stuff. But, you know, to each his own. Don't judge me. I'm working on TFT. Ooh, that almost played a commercial? Guys, if a commercial came on, I did not want that. I don't select it. I saw Tony De Niro. He goes like this. Hey, I don't watch Tony De Niro. Yeah, no, I don't. This is why I don't watch him. So, like, I want to say like 2 months ago, watching his live stream. This is during, what was it, 2 months ago? Yeah, it had to be 2 months ago. It was when him and Mass were on and they were talking about the split or whatever. They're like, yeah, this is going to happen and blah, blah, blah about Antura buying in and reverse stock split. He goes, all right, guys, we got to take a quick pause real quick. Got to pay the bills. And he puts a commercial in during the live stream. And I'm like, dude, shut up. You're not on a radio station, bro, and you're not on a TV channel. You're just on your little YouTube channel, and you're trying to get money off of ads. That's just too much for me, man. I couldn't take it. I'd never see this guy again. All right, back to you guys. Let's go. Stacks, good morning, sir. How you doing? Linda Real, yes, and John Jar Binks. I know you guys were in the mainstream. Thank you, Sharon, for reminding me to throw the trash, which I did. It was windy as hell. It was 50-mile-per-hour winds last night. I don't think people know. That's like a little bit less than a tropical storm. Shit was rocking for no reason. Dirt and sand everywhere. Good morning to everyone except the people who own AMC. Suit has a very bitter spot in his belly for anyone who owns AMC. I don't. I'm not that way. 1 in 7. Good job, John Bart, being by blinks. Bullish as F on Moses Martinez. Well, thank you. No dates, but what can I say? Really no complaints. Bullish. Yeah, I got the buy order in today. I bought at a better rate today than I did yesterday. Did it matter? Not at all. I love it. I think a lot of people start posting their stuff in the chat as far as what they're buying, and that was cool for you guys. But remember, you don't have to like one up each other or feel like you must buy in. It doesn't work that way for me. J-Dub is here. Hey, J-Dub, how you doing, man? I really appreciate your support. You're doing great, man. Checkmate apes, yes. Thoughts on market recovery this summer? PJ Dub, I don't think it's the summer. I think it's next year. I think it's next year or until the Fed stops raising rates. The Fed will not stop raising rates until people start getting laid off. So they're going to force this recession themselves, and then they're going to blame, okay? They're going to blame the previous administration and COVID so that they can get another 4 years into the office. Believe it, believe it, believe it. Well, the only reason why it went down is because of this. Oh, okay. Or the Ukraine war that we're fully committed to, apparently. Oh my God. You were the one being manipulated, not the stock. Correct, Raiderbell. That's absolutely correct. Stick around after earnings next week. Yeah, stick around. It's going to be bad, man. Lawsuits in the stock market have been won and lost every day for 100 years. Yes, but you don't know that they will either settle out of court, it kind of like forces them to, or it never makes it there, right? But the one thing that Adam Aaron doesn't want is a thing called discovery. He does not want discovery to happen, because when you do, that's when trades comes up. I'm just telling you, that's my honest opinion. You love AMC. I do love it. AMC isn't real. It's kind of strange kind of love. Yeah, I do. I love it. I love you a long time. And that's it. This is an AMC channel, so you're correct. We try to tell these guys. We all love AMC so much we own zero shares. That's how much we love them. It's like, it's one of those things, baby, I got to break up with you because I got to let you go. I got to let you live. Yeah, that's the truth. Man, shut up. It's not you, it's me. Darth the Colossal, yeah. Love Marantz. Well, thank you so much. Best meme stock YouTuber. GME is not a meme, by the way. Memes are hedged to GME. Correct. Yeah, they just left Anthony's live. I don't know, man. I don't know how that kid's still alive. I thought he was supposed to go to work. He's been calling out sick a lot. He's not going to have a job soon. And he's not going to have a YouTube channel anyway. Just sketch. Yeah, I wanted to see what was up. Well, thank you. Let's go, not AMC. 53 people not duped by AMC. Correct. Oh, we know where Martinez is going to finish. Skeet, all over the AMC apes jokes. Yeah, that was pretty gross. I can't believe I read that. But there you go. Adam must confess. J-Dub, what's up, bro? You getting beat up? You was on CSI live stream. Stop lying. J-Dub, do you not know, man, when I say I don't watch other YouTubers, let's just sit here for a second, okay? I watch every YouTuber. I choose not to, but I watch them all. I don't want to, but I watch them all. I don't have time to, but I watch them all. Oh my God. Yeah, I was on the AMC Common Sense Investors video. Why? Because I wanted to hear some lies. Why? Because he don't know what he's talking about. Why? Oh, Marantz, I agree with most of what you say, and I think you are very informative. I use the word very. Don't look at what I say as combative. I don't, Mean Street. I'm just letting you know. That lawsuit has no legs. None. It's not even worth going over piece by piece. It is a bunch of disgruntled investors that lost money because they made the wrong investment. You cannot cry because you made the wrong investment. You picked the wrong hoe. You picked the wrong dude. Don't cry to me about it. get a divorce, go make some new money, find a new partner. That's how life is, man. You guys, I'm telling you, you pick a baby daddy and he's a piece of shit. That's just who you pick. Maybe your picker's bad. Maybe your picker's bad. That's all it is. That's what I'm telling these investors. Their picker's bad. They're picking the wrong stocks. They followed the wrong person. CSI has shares. He says he does. Did CSI visit the Tooth Fairy again the one last time? What type of dumb question is that? Do I own AMC? I am AMC. John Dub, I don't disagree. Can you prove it? John Dub in our Discord. Come on. Who really owns AMC shares? I want to know. That's crazy, man. People still own this shit? Daily reminder, the flow of the GME is shrinking every single day. And it absolutely is. We buy shares all the time. We buy shares all the time. What makes 100% sense, Marantz? I don't know what that means. But I'm in a rabbit hole. I'm in the dark hole. I'm in the, I'm everywhere, man. Ance's uncle, there you go. Dip the dip, buy the rip. Buy the dip. Edge players, I'm trying my best. I like to go down and pump. I have no idea what that means. Passionate. About to make me throw up a channel and rant like Rants. Okay, well, there you go. Handle yours. I'm not stopping you. Black Swan event just started according to the ant chart. Oh, the ARC chart. Market will crash, include crypto. Yeah, I heard that the market's going to crash by the 14th or 15th of March. This is what I heard. I've heard about 5 different times this year. If this one's correct, if we're right this time, I'll be very excited. I'm excited to see markets crash. I'm excited for things to happen like that because me personally, I'm invested in the right investments, so I'm not worried about it. I don't worry about a lot. My GME shares will never see daylight. Come get them. I'm with you on that, Monster Buddy. You can't get them. And as far as making your own channel and throw up some rants, man, the passionate, listen, man, just show up every day and be really good at it. And then maybe you'll get like 10 people. Hey, shout out to Oliver's Papa. He did make a video while I was making a video. I was like, Oliver, I'm making a video. I'm doing something here though. Stop digging. It's gross. There we go. I want Adam Aaron and Kenny G and Ginsler in bars. Okay. Did they honestly think lawsuits were off the table? No, but you honestly think that they're going to matter. They don't. These guys are rich. Rich people don't worry about stuff. They just don't. Guys, the socially elite around this world, I don't care if it's the 10 richest dudes in Germany and the 4 richest dudes in Brazil and the 100 richest guys in America and the 20 richest guys in China, whatever it is, I don't care. All those socially elite people, they all help each other. They're in a different bracket. They don't care. They don't care one bit as to what matters to the common folk. They're not them. They're in elite status, and you're not there, and you're not one of them. So when people get into that group, the bankers, the investors, and that group, that's when you find out what's real. But Biden, not in that group. Pelosi, not in that group. They don't have enough money to be in that group. I'm just telling you how the world works. They're all looking out for each other. They're not looking out for you. Imagine investing in bad companies. What a dream. Yeah. Life is but a dream. Many live but above. You see that flag behind Marantz? That used to mean what everyday people were capable of without the government in suits. Civilians would put government in its place. I don't know what world you live in or if you're 200 years old. Okay? But that flag doesn't represent a damn thing other than my ability to sit right here in front of you. As far as fighting the system's been against you forever. You just chose now to be noble and direct, and you really want to fight something? Go out there and shout at the wind, man. If you don't like America and you don't like what it's giving you, then don't fucking be here. You've seen it all wrong. I tell you, you can be in this country, young man. You can live here and get emancipated from the country itself. And then let me know how you get a job. And let me know how you get a driver's license. Let me know how you get around in this world, how you open up a bank account. You can't. You can't. Everyone who says they don't like it or the government's doing this and this, there's nothing. The government's not against you guys. What the hell are you guys talking about? The military, nothing. It's just a job. There's just jobs. We work. We make a living. But think about how pampered you are. Passion, what are you mad about? You have processed food delivered to a store that you get to walk into and buy with the money that you earn. And you get to go home and you have a fridge to put it in. You didn't hunt for that food. You didn't gather. No, you go into the cupboard and you grab salt. You didn't travel to the Middle East and go get some damn salt. You have silk linens. You didn't go the whole in Eastern Asia and have to go get silk through the trade line. And no, there was thousands of years of the barter effect beyond every country. And you're worried about America for the last 300 years? They've been doing what exactly for the last 30 years? What are you mad about? How old are you? Dude, you have a great life. Relax and enjoy it. You want to be a Debbie Downer and complain about life? It's never going to work for you, man. You're going to die with a lot of hate. Enjoy the shit around you. Trust me. That's why I respect my money so much. That's why the county fair, where they're charging $50 for bracelets to ride every ride. And I see my family, I see cousins of mine taking all their kids and themselves. And I'm thinking to myself, those guys all live in a 1-bedroom apartment, can't afford food, on EBT, driving cars that are broke down, and they're at the fair spending $300 on a day, one day. I'm blown away. I'll live the shittiest life ever. Not do a single thrill ride that carnies that look like CSI put together. Hey, y'all, step right up. Throw these 3 balls in a basket. Yeah, you got a job for life, CSI. We get that. But these carnies putting together these rides and kids dying and falling down, never. But the passionate, you want to complain about what government and suits are doing? It's not just, where do you want to live? What time frame are you trying to live in? And what country are you trying to live in? You're ridiculous. You have internet in your house right now and you're watching me on your phone or on a computer. You're ridiculous. I just can't, guys. I can't, because I sit here and I hear people try to like do these blanket statements over like how bad it is or how bad it's not bad. You might not like I don't like the president. You might not, I don't like him. You don't like him, right? Whatever. I live in California by choice. I don't like Governor Newsom, Gavin Newsom. Nah. But I still live here. Why? Because I like the weather. And I like the fact that my folks are down the street. And I met my wife here in Cali. So that's just where I'm at, man. Do you think I put so much onus on the fact that I live under this government at this state law level, at this, county level? Nah, I don't care. I don't care. There's other things I could be complaining about. You guys complain about shit. You guys want to go march the streets for what? Equal opportunities? You have them. You want to march for what? I don't know. Defund something? Well, go for it. Waste your time. I'll be at work. I'll be at work making money, coming back, and feed my family and feed myself. But you can struggle. Be on a little struggle bus there. Or go make a YouTube channel, The Passionate, and we won't watch it. Don't worry. Well, I won't. I'm just glad we live today. Sell your AMC while time is running out. You must really hate yourself to invest in AMC. That's true. The Passionate, it still does. Yeah, exactly. You see, there's no different from the 1980s when I was growing up to now. The country's still the same to me. Still the same. It's great. Yeah, I have no complaints. I still turn on the TV and I can still watch sports. All right, cool. Still go to the fridge and still eat some food. Still go to McDonald's, still there. I'm just telling you. Maybe that's just my opinion. What's up? Some rants. Here every day saying why AMC is a bad investment, but they still don't get it. Danzo, and I'm trying my best. Lazard, well, that's obvious. Rip Lazard people. Lizard and Lazard are the same thing. Every time Marantz is live with important info, there's an emergency meeting at work. Bro, them some shills, bro. I was homeless and in a homeless shelter. Now I have friends with thousands, with lots of thousands listening to these AMC folks. Why give your money to a CEO, save his company, and lose all your money? Well, we said that part. And as far as you being homeless in a homeless shelter, what does that have to do with anything? That's weird. That was weird. That whole like pretense of it. You're like, I'm gonna tell you guys something. I woke up with some back pain. Aside from that, yeah. So I'm like, I know some friends that are really hungry today, and they're having a cookout. And it was like, what? I don't know. It was a psyops attack, like many others. The Passion, we called all this, man. Citadel stooges everywhere. Yep. Hello, everybody. When you're eating radiation-filled bugs, you will think of me. No, I won't. I don't. What are you talking about, bro? It's Lazard. I'm just gonna call it Lizard, bro. I can't call it Lazard. I'm just calling it Lizard. Losing signal. There we go. Linda Brill, whatever. AMC is devastating. Bro, it's bullish, bro. Bullish as F. Yeah. Shaka, bro. Shaka. I don't know. Shakira. Can't chill today. Oh, that sucks, bro. What's up? How you doing? Rantz does everybody's homework. I do my best. Oh, man. This is... No, don't keep going on. This is fantastic. Well, thank you. Everything about Bed Bath & Beyond is bullish, though. Oh, I know, man. Oh. Citadel is a wannabe octopus trying so hard to get into everything. Bed Bath & Beyond going to 99 cents. Citadel gets free tickets to AMC movie theaters. That is true. And Bed Bath & Beyond is going under $1. It will. The toothless taxi is going to lose his mind. Marantz, I'm looking at GameStop balance sheet. Can we talk numbers for what kind of reduced SG&A is needed for potential sales increase for console cycle holiday? Thinking about how to hit profitable. We talked about it, Scott. I did a video on it, and I'm looking for around 2 billion, 2.1 billion in sales, hopefully. But as far as reduction in SG&A, I don't want to make an assumption because the SG&A for period 4 was closer to 500 something million in that range. I want to say it was like almost 550 last year. And so I don't know what we're going to get close to and potential of sales and what it makes, because I still have to look at there's other things. It's a tricky balance sheet. It's not just straight X and O's, but I don't want to talk on it until it really comes out and then explain what I see. But if it, as far as me, I think that quarter three of 2023 is going to be like the moving, where we're going to move the sticks like beyond. Because at that point, you will have annualized on the inflationary number. You will have annualized on what inventory and buyers need to do on the smaller footprint. And a smaller footprint is going to generate the same amount of sales. So top line revenue should not be affected as much. And it's going to be offset by online e-commerce. And I just feel it's going to work out that way. So we're going to be able to basically get rid of a lot of SG&A. We're going to have the same business model like we did during the pandemic. But this time we can handle the influx of orders. So we'll see how it goes. Some investors are addicted to losing. Yeah, I agree. Kai's, I'm on the ledge. Yeah, I know. Good old Lehman. Yeah, Lehman Brothers, I agree. Scott, you should post on Discord. Yeah, you could. For quarter 4 22 and potentially quarter 1 2023. AMC is the rotten apple. What is a fair way to assess a balance sheet from pre-pandemic to post-pandemic today? For GameStop, there is no significant difference. I mean, it's the same. It's just a balance sheet versus top-line revenues. If you're going to look at the amount of stores that are open versus then. 2018, GameStop had over 7,500 stores. Right now, they have less than 4,500. So from 7,500 to 4,500, it's 3,000 stores gone. Yet our revenue is in the realm of maybe we lost 30%. So we lost 40% of stores, but 30% revenue. It's an uptick in the other way. Music Snob, you are an entry-level investor. We here have the experience in the market. Sure. We know that part. Gang's all here. Yes, they are. AMC a la tumba. I don't know what the hell that means, but what's up, Wilbur? Never met. How are you today? Wilbur's good. Wilbur has met. He's been around for a long time. Lizard, yeah, I hear that on Lizard. AMC to the moon, big drop coming, earnings coming up. Yeah, it's about to get bad, man. Citadel Broadcasting, they play the AMC to the moon song all the time. Music Snob, I have 2,300 shares at GameStop. Good job. I sold AMC at 40. I made 100K on AMC. Phenomenal. Phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal. Whenever I think of AMC clowns, I just picture all of the people on the IQ test. Yeah, exactly. Who was this? Music Snob sent out 3 messages in a row? Was he excited? What's going on, bro? Do you think 2,300 shares is a lot? Do you think 100K is a lot? Yes and yes. I think they're both a lot. Do you want to compare W-2s? I don't mind embarrassing you for a minute. I don't understand how you think money is going to embarrass somebody. Or like how much you make. I wouldn't care if you made $2 million versus somebody who makes $2,000. So who is that person? Give me anybody, man. Give me the kid that's 18 years old, never committed a crime, and he's a good ass kid, and he has his head on his shoulders, and he owns 2 shares of GameStop. Give me that guy over you. over you that feels they need to brag or boast or flash their W-2. You have a W-2. Let that sink in. Bragging about how much money you make and you have a W-2 means you work for someone. Just leave it at that. We all work for someone. It's not something to brag about. It's just something to get through. How about your health? Is your health pretty good? How are your kids doing? Are they pieces of shit? Yeah? No? I mean, you want to smash on the guy about his W-2 and how much he makes? Is your wife cheating on you yet? Does your mother hate you? What is it? Are you packing? I mean, what do you got here, bro? What are you mad about? What are you trying to make up for? What are you compensating for? Do you drive the big truck, the lifted 350? Is that you? Are you the snob in the Mazda Miata? Is that you? Which one are you, music snob? Don't worry. W-2s aren't everything. I'm just letting you know. Yeah, and I have one too. Down the rabbit hole indeed. My mom's basement is worth $1.3 million. Is that a lot? I got that down. Ape is more valuable than GME. Oh, Bobby Ray. Bobby Ray, don't do it. Call CSI and let them know. Dude, 1K of savings is a lot. Everybody starts somewhere. I agree. Charlie Ward was a hell of a quarterback and point guard. RP, I'm trying to tell you, man. FSU's greatest. Exactly, Scott. Bobby Ray, that's a lie. If you can see the market cap of Ape, it's not more valuable. That is true as well. I'm not a hack. I'm just a regular boy living in my mom's basement. I'm down with that. Thank God, please be done playing the giant role pile of shit. Oh, there you go. Y'all, these mother effers before you ever read it. Oh, you get the wrenches? Yeah, I guess. Biden trips up the stairs again. Oh, I wouldn't doubt it, bro. That guy couldn't even walk on the sidewalk. I didn't know what he was looking at. Also, I thought Tesla at 300 was sold at 1,300. Must have been a hack. Yep. I bought AMC at 8 and sold at 40. Damn it, Brandon. Oh, he's doing that shit. What's up, Carvers? New game, NFTs, GameStop, the NFT tradable skins. All that looks great. I saw it, and it's going great. When you're here, the fans saying the same thing when AMC was at 17. Yeah. I live in Cali. Looked out the window this morning. I was like, what the F is this? Florida? Crazy windy. Yeah, John, it's absolutely wild. Windy as F. Oh, Xbit lives where I live. Xbit, tell these guys the amount of wind. Tell them, bro. Goddamn. It's crazy. Windy and snowing in eastern Washington. No, it's not a lie. My pappy CSI says so. I knew he was related to you. Bobby Ray, stop trolling. Another video, another two. Hey, y'all, welcome back. It's another root canal. My pappy CSI says Ape worth more than GME on a bad day. I know numbers are hard for CSI and his viewers, but 6.4 billion GameStop and more is more than 1.6 billion in Ape. Yeah, absolutely. Y'all got any dentures up in here? No, John Doe. We don't wear them dentures. We like to suck. You bet on the wrong horse. You picked the one that's facing backwards at the gate. Are the lawyers working pro bono? I doubt that. Is Matthew Furlong still alive? Absolutely. What's good, Marantz? You know, a lot of things. Today is February 22nd, 2023, and I feel great. I'm a little hungry, but it's my third day without drinking soda. I didn't drink any type of soda at all. I've been doing really good on that, and I'm eating less. I'm trying to lose this weight. I'm trying to get into the best fighting shape of my life because, you know, you just never know. You just never know. 24, what type of question is that? Yeah, 24, money for the money. At least 24 knows who CEO is now. He learned from his mistakes. I heard that. That flag was made by the system. Stags will fight. 92 viewers? Oh, there we go. Wow. Oh, are you mad about that? I gave this channel a thumbs down. That's cool, Bobby Ray. I don't mind one bit. We're having fun, though. Yeah. You know, I'm happy you're here, though, Bobby Ray, because I remember when I used to have, like, 2 viewers. I still remember that. Bobby is probably because the Toothless Wonder's second account. Oh, I didn't know that. Do you realize that Marantz's channel would be huge if he just lied about AMC? Yeah. And parroted how great AMC is in the MOAS? He decides to tell the truth. Thank you, SBF Cellmate, and I will continue to do that. Who's that whiskey? The Marine? CSI? Kai's? Oh, man. I don't even know. If you're invested in AMC, please check out Elemental P. It's going to the moon. Facts. Oh, man. No, man. We can't be doing that. Oh, man, I thought you was into dudes. What's wrong with that, Bobby Ray? I might be. What's wrong with that? What is your problem? What is everyone's problem with the association of being, you know, with dudes? You saw me go on Tony De Niro's channel. I was hoping he'd send me a DM. That's what I was trying. Some prisoners caught a cat in the yard, put a tattoo on it. The cat was taken from them and now needs a home. Oh, okay. That sucks. Bobby, weren't you here when AMC was at 30? 24th money out here making fun of a previous manager at Amazon in Australia and the CEO of a multi-billion-dollar USA company. Have some respect, dude. What's good, peeps? Bossy Boss, welcome back, baby. I appreciate you. AMC to la tumba means AMC to the coffin. Oh, that's what it was translated. Oh, I had no idea. But thank you, my Spanish professor friend. Whatever happened to Tenny Man's song? This song was about GameStop, not meme stock. Yeah, I don't play it. I don't even like that song. There once was a man who went too short. I hate all that shit. I have 106 shares. Move out of the way, little fishies. Yeah, right? That's a lot of shares, bro. That's more than me. I told you, somebody asked me today, how many shares do I have? That's in Discord. I told them 20. And then I bought one. I said 21. Savage. There it is. I get a K1. I don't even know what the hell that means. Recently been buying Microsoft. Well, that's good. I did ask CSI. He says so. Okay. Hello, Marantz. Hey, hello, old man Dota. How you doing, man? Bro, I live down the street from Marantz. 100% facts. Yeah, it was windy as fuck. Palm Desert. Yep. It's another root canal. Yeah. Hey, y'all. Welcome back. CSI be talking too much about manner and how to make money, but I don't see the man getting a new set of teeth. I don't see him buying a new camera, clothes, a phone, a haircut with the little hair he's got left. Shine that bally ass head of his. I don't see a dime bitch on his hip. I don't see nothing. Can you imagine his girl walking right in on the stream right here? Hey, baby, here's your drink, baby. Penny, get back here, Penny. Come here. Hi, Penny, sit right here. Sit right here. He hits both legs, bro. Sit right here on my laps. Yeah. Her whole ass cheek just covers his whole body. Can you imagine this dude? I envision him with the smelliest, grossest looking human in the world. And I'm not saying there's something wrong with some big girls. Some big girls got cute faces. But I'm just saying, this dude doesn't look like he's got one. CSI is bullish on giving gummers. There you go. Marantz was listening to yesterday's stream this morning, and you had me choking on my coffee with the impressions at the end. Hope y'all have well fun. Adam Austin, choking on coffee. I don't know what impressions you're talking about. I don't do impressions, bro. It's not what I do. I'm not a show. I'm not a funny man. I'm not a comedian. I don't do none of that stuff. If you made money last year, you're poor. Yeah. Yeah. Where you going, bro? Stacks, I'm trying to go play some games. I'm trying to eat some food. I got pizza to eat. I got some water to drink. And I want to play some League of Legends before I go to work. I've had a long, guys, I called Almo last night. Now, I've called Almo 2 nights in a row now at work. I said, all right, Almo, check this out, bro. I just got told I have to stay late. Bro, I've had to stay late twice in a row. And I mean late. We're talking, guys, these are 10, 12-hour days easy. I'm tired. I get home, I'm like, damn, I got to get up still. You know, and wifey ain't playing. I got home, I still had to throw the trash. You know, oh, you got to throw that trash. Yeah, mama, I see it. It's full. I got you. Yeah, I'm going to play some games. I'm going to do my thing. I love you guys. You guys know that. I'll make a video. I don't know when I'll make another video. Guys, can I be real with you guys? Look at it. I brag about consistency and being here. But your boy, hey, I love you, okay? Your boy needs a vacation. I haven't had a vacation since I started the channel. And I'm talking about take my wife and my kids and go reset. I have not taken one in almost 2 years. You guys remember my last vacation? It was when we went to San Diego during the pandemic. And I was making videos in the stairwell. And my wife was like, did you just upload a video? I was like, no. She's like, I got my alerts on. That's back when we had honestly, 50 subscribers to the channel. So you guys remember back in the day, I was doing that. And I need a vacation. I don't know. I got to take some time off and just take the wife and take her to Vegas or something. Just a weekend. I just need a weekend to myself. But I haven't done it. And I'm waiting on it. But that's just it. So we'll see how it goes, if it's going to happen for me. Work is crazy. I don't really get... The reason why and I know you guys probably, yo, what do you mean you can't go on vacation? I was like, the reason why I can't go on vacation, guys, is because there's not too many people at work that can do my job. There's realistically only one one boss. I have one boss that can do it, and no one else. So it's really impossible in a way to go on vacation sometimes. But I have to explain that I'm gonna be gone for a minute, and then make sure all my ducks are lined up. But I'm gonna be working in LA coming up real soon. Not LA, but Chino Hills. I'll be working in Chino Hills coming up for a couple days. So I'll be traveling. So you guys are gonna get a lot more of the car videos and behind the scenes for the members only. I know I've been slacking it. I've just been really tired, guys. I'm just being honest with you guys. We watch the stock every day and we love it. We want to know what it's going to have, $20, 50 cents. But I have mapped out vacation time. My vacation days are aligned with earnings. So I took a day off of work for AMC earnings. I took a day off of work on paper for GameStop earnings. So I'll be here for both. So just say, yo, that was cool, Marantz. Thanks for doing that. But that's it. Those are the only 2 days off that I'm taking, so I'm not really going anywhere. CSI, you can do your yab. I don't know what the hell that means, bro. But I got you. I remember. Imagine going from $7 to $2. We're going to get a hotel room desk video? A hotel room desk video. I mean, shit, then I'm going to be like Major Fudd or something. I was in LA yesterday doing telephone poll surveys. That sounds not fun. Let's call what members only really is OnlyFans. Let's call what the members only really is. I should do it that way. You're watching the wrong stock too. What? GameStop's amazing. What are you talking about? $20.47. It's amazing. Just so happens to be the same year that AMC is going to be profitable. 2047. There you go. Well, you guys have a great day. Ants Trade's losing his mind. Why is he losing his mind? What's wrong with him? Did somebody shake his Etch-a-Sketch? The lines, they moved. I don't know what to do. I got to draw new ones. That kid. Yab is job, is Mexican for job. No, it's not. But first off, what the hell is Mexican? Hey, Bobby Ray, what is Mexican? Is that a language I don't know about? Huh. I thought you was Mexican. Wouldn't matter. What is Mexican, bro? What do you speak? I speak Mexican. What? That's the stupidest shit ever. I speak white. Yep. And I speak black. And what do you speak? Oh, I speak Asian. This is the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Bobby Ray, I could be Hispanic descent my whole life. I don't speak Spanish. Do I understand Spanish? I understand enough. Like a whole hell of a lot. But, nah, not me. Why? Just why? Why? Just why? Cheers, bro. Thanks for the laughs. Yeah, I guess. I don't know what laughs I did today. I didn't do shit today, guys. I came out here, I was going down my rabbit hole on my DD stuff just to connect the dots because I already know they connect. I know that Carmike Movie Theaters was invested by Citadel and his buddies. And then they went ahead and bought them for double the price what AMC is, which made no sense. I mean, it is a different dialect, but you know where he's coming from the wrong place. Yeah, I know what he's doing. Bobby Ray thinks he's funny. Is this Bobby Ray, the Bobby and Steph? Is that who this is? This can't be. No, this is just a different person. What is what is this? Bro, if you're going to talk to me passionate, say it in English, man. Don't bring my cholo side out. Why? What is that going to do? Are cholos tough? Did I miss something? Let me tell you about cholos. Oh, yeah, he's a cholo. Oh, yeah, he's a gangster. Those guys ain't tough. We're growing up. We grew up in some rough parts of town. Sure. All our cousins are rough. I'll beat the shit out of all of my cousins. And they've been to prison. Been locked up. Beat the fuck out of all of them. They're not athletes. They're not world beaters. So what the hell am I afraid of some dude with sunglasses and a hat or baggy pants that don't fit him and his legs are like this big, missed leg day every day of his week? I'm not afraid of these guys. What the hell? Cholo. You want to act like you're something? What does that mean? What's up, Holmes? What's up, Holmes? I don't know. Why do you have a hairnet on? Take your little hairnet off. Stop listening to Art LeBeau's oldies. Go get a real job. What I trip out on is cholos who actually go into the corporate world and they still dress the same way, but then they, hey, how you doing? Yeah, welcome. How you doing? Yeah, so let me tell you about this opportunity I have for you. This is the best opportunity you're ever going to have right here. I go, are you selling something right now, man? ¿Sabes qué? You know what I am. You know I am, homie. All right, check us out, dog. Let me tell you, doggy. All right, check it out. What did you call me? Hey, Holmes, don't even trip, Holmes. Yeah, hey, check it out. It's feed me, all right? Check it out. This is for everybody right here. They buy this shit. This shit cleans your shoes real tight. Let me see your shoe, Vato. Let me see it. This guy's wearing black shoes, bro. We can't even clean them. Some Cortez. Yeah, get out of here, bro. His sunglasses are cool. They might be. Doesn't make you tough. Supertramp says he farted. What the hell does that have to do with anything? We're all from planet Earth. We're all the same. Thank you, Wendy. I appreciate that. In GME, we're the juicy baby. Okay, even Kai's Malej has mojo these days. Has more mojo. What are you talking about? This Kai's I'm on the ledge doesn't even own Bed Bath & Beyond shares. He doesn't own any option. He doesn't own anything. That guy's homeless. He lives in his car. I challenge Kai's Malej to make a video from his home. Yeah, make a video from his home. Just one. I bet you he's not allowed to. He gets home, he better shut the hell up. Ryan Cohen and Brian Susie. You're not listening to me, woman. See, we get in fight, you knock out my tooth. What are we going to do? I don't know. That was a Guido impression. Okay, whatever you want to say. I don't care what you call me. Holy Spirit, how you doing, man? Welcome back. This guy's excited today, Bobby Ray. Kai's Mileage couldn't find his mojo if Austin Powers was a certified CPA. I heard that, bro. Yeah, baby. Do I make you horny, baby? No, you do not, Kai's. No, you do not. This guy put a video up of me on Twitter. I haven't even looked at it yet, but it's something about like I have the helmet on, and he said I lost my mind. I'm wearing my space helmet. We're all the same except for AMCers. I agree with that, Sue. Sure, I'll wear that. I gotta go. I got some League of Legends to play. I got some food to eat and relax and get ready for work. I love you guys so much, but I gotta go. GameStop, can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. I'll see you around, millionaires. Peace. What did he say? Kai's Edge is in love with Ryan Cohen, but doesn't have any GameStop stock or GME options. What the F is really good. I'm telling you, John. Guys, we got to believe in him. I believe in you, Ryan. I want to meet you. I want to shake your hand. I want to kiss your hand. Sure you do, guys. That's all you want to do, right? Later, guys. I'll see you around. Peace. Oh, man.
Welcome to Marantz Rantz, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertold, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Kenny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC and Superposition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz